This is the Champion RK-7C 1-inch repair kit for the 1-inch atmospheric vacuum breakers. Now, in the package, it's going to come with your rubber gasket, your red fiber gasket, and the float with the rubber seal here at the bottom of that plastic stem. On the back of this little piece of paper, this comes with the package. It'll also have a little picture breakdown here on the left, as well as an arrow drug from the parts included, so it shows where they're installed and how they go in. And we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part. Starting with the float, we're going to get a total height, which is going to be right at about, looks to be right at about 1.5 inches. And then outer diameter across the base, it's going to be just over 1.25 inches. Then go into our red fiber gasket. Outer diameter is going to measure right at just over 1.5 inches, right at about 1.5 inches. And then inner diameter, right just shy of 1.5 inches. Then our rubber gasket, outer diameter will be 1 inch and almost 1.75 inches, with an inner diameter right at 1.5 inches. And once again, this is the Champion RK-7C 1-inch repair kit for the atmospheric vacuum breakers.